Good day, everyone. I am Arnel San Jose, the team leader of the legal management team. The legal management team provides shared services to Sanjin Philippines Corporation under the Sanjin Philippine Business Group, focusing on protecting the group's interests by handling various legal matters. Our key functions include number one, contract management, preparing, revising, and enhancing contracts, agreements, and other legal documents to ensure compliance and mitigate risk. Litigation and dispute resolution, handling lawsuits, disputes, and other legal proceedings to defend Sanjin's interest and recover outstanding accounts. Account recovery, pursuing delinquent accounts and entities with unpaid obligations through legal means, including civil and criminal actions. Implementing measures to prevent disputes and ensure that agreements are well documented and supported by necessary requirements. Actively reviewing and executing contracts, agreements, and other legal documents to ensure compliance and mitigate risk. Conducting verification of properties subject to mortgage to ensure their validity and enforceability. Working closely with legal offices and government agencies to ensure efficient and practical proceedings. We believe in the importance of prevention and strive to resolve disputes and misunderstandings amicably. If you have any concerns that require our attention, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to work hand in hand with you to resolve any issues and protect Sanjin's interests. Thank you.